Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Adi Herianto from class MNG 23C with NPM 2341114. So here I will explain about probability. Introduction probability. An introduction to probability in English word generally starts with a brief explanation of its meaning, importance, and basic concept. Here's an example. Introduction to probability. Probability is a branch of mathematics that deals with the study of uncertainty and randomness. It provides tools to measure the likelihood of an event occurring, which is expressed as a number between 0 and 1. A probability of 0 indicates that an event is impossible, while a probability of 1 means the event is certain to occur. Probability is widely used in various fields including science, engineering, finance, and everyday decision making. For example, predicting weather, determining insurance risk, and analyzing data are really on principle of probability. Basic concept of probability. Basic concept of probability: experiment an action or process that generate outcomes. For example, rolling a die or flipping a coin. Sample space S, the set of all possible outcomes of an experiment. For instance, the sample space of flipping a coin, heads, tails. Probability of an event P, the likelihood that the event occurs. Calculate as P dalam kurung E, number of favorable outcome dibagi total number of possible outcome. P sama dengan E, total number of possible outcome dibagi number of favorable outcome. Definition: probability is the measure of the likelihood that a particular event will occur. It is expressed a number between 0 and 1, where 0 indicates an impossible event and 1 indicates a certain event. Mathematically, the probability of an event A E is defined as P E sama dengan total number of possible outcome dibagi number of favorable outcome. Probability is a fundamental concept in mathematics and statistics used to quantify uncertainty and make predictions about random events. Miscellaneous. Here are the types of probability explained in English. Theoretical probability. Theoretical probability is based on the assumption that all outcomes in a sample space are equally likely. It is calculated using the formula P sama dengan E, total number of possible outcome dibagi number of favorable outcome. For example, the probability of rolling a 3 on a fire 6 slide die is 1/6. 2. Empirical or experimental probability. Empirical probability is based on actual experiments or observation. It is calculated by dividing the number of times an event occurs by the total number of trial. PE, total number of trial dibagi number of time event occurs. For instance, if a coin is flipped 100 times and lands on heads 55 times, the empirical probability of getting head is 55 dibagi 100 sama dengan 0,55. Number 3, subjective probability. Subjective probability is based on personal judgment. intuition, or experience rather than statistical evidence. It often reflects individual belief about the likelihood of an event. For example, a weather forecaster might estimate a 70% chance of rain tomorrow based on experience and analysis. Number 4, conditional probability. Conditional probability refers to the likelihood of an event occurring given that another event has already occurred. It is expressed as P dalam kurung AB sama dengan PB, PA, B, where PAB is the probability of a given B. Number 5, joint probability. Joint probability measures the likelihood of two events happening at the same time. It is expressed as PAB, for example, the probability of rolling a 3 on one die and a 5 on another die in a single roll. Number 6, marginal probability. Marginal probability refers to the probability of a single event occurring regardless of other events. It is obtained by summing or integrating over the probabilities of all other events. Conclusion on probability. Probability is a fundamental concept in mathematics and statistics used to measure and quantify uncertainty. It provides a structured way to predict the likelihood of events, making it an essential tool in various fields, including science, economics, engineering, and everyday decision making. The core idea of probability revolves around assigning a numerical value between 0 and 1 to represent how likely an event it is to occur. A value or indicates that the event is impossible, while a value of 1 signifies certainty. Even with probabilities closer to 1 are more likely to happen, while those closer to 0 are less likely. Probability is categorized into different types, including theoretical, empirical, subjective, conditional, and joint probabilities. Theoretical probability is based on logical reasoning, while empirical probability is derived from actual experiments or observation. Subjective probability relies on personal judgment, and conditional probability considers the likelihood of an event given that another event has occurred. Key concept probability include experiment, sample space, and event. These foundations allow to use calculate probabilities and analysis outcome systematically. Advanced techniques such as conditional probability and Bayes' theorem enable use to solve more complex problems involving interpreted events. In real-life application, probability plays a significant role in a risk assessment, decision-making, and prediction, from forecasting to weather to determining insurance premiums. Probability helps us make informed choices in uncertain situations. In conclusion, probability is more than a mathematical tool. It is a way of understanding and managing the randoms inherent in the world. By applying its principles, we can make better decisions and gain deeper insight into patterns and uncertainties in both natural and artificial systems. Mystery of probability is invaluable in navigating a world full of unpredictable